Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair video and it's going to be an initial unboxing review. And I'm really excited about this because I'm going to make a whole separate segment on my channel for strictly hair videos, so hair reviews, hair styling, all types of stuff like that, because she like to be cute. And I change my hair a hell of a lot, so I know y'all be noticing every time I come on here, this is different than the last time y'all saw me. I had twisted my hair, so I'm really excited about that. But let's just get right into it. So today's video, the initial unboxing review, is going to be on an AliExpress vendor, and I'm excited about this because I also have a discount code for you guys, but I'm going to tell you my discount code once we get to the end of this video, and I tell you everything. So this is the AliExpress company, but they also have a website for themselves, and it is UNICE Hair. And I'm excited about this because this is the first thing I got from AliExpress, hair that I've got from AliExpress that actually came in a nice little box. This is the box, and on the back it has hair care instructions. And I'm excited about that because I've ordered from them before, and every other place that I've gotten, I'm not gonna say every other place on AliExpress, but every other place that I've ordered from has just had it in plastic bags, whatever, with little ties on them, hey, bing, bam, boom, that's it. But I'm excited because the packaging is super, super nice. So I don't know, they got me feeling bougie or whatever. So I haven't opened this. I just got it from the post office. So this did get shipped through USPS, and it came in 2 days. I ordered it on Tuesday, and I got sent my shipping info on Wednesday. So it originally got here on Friday. Okay, if y'all see something beside me, my dog is right here because she won't leave me alone. But they tried to deliver on Friday, but it required a signature, and I wasn't here. I was at work, so I couldn't get it on Friday. So I just want to go pick it up today. So when you open the box, this is how everything comes. It comes with some eyelashes and a little paper with my shipping info. I got 3 bundles and a closure. Yeah, that's what I got. And I think I got 22, 24, 24. I don't want 22, 24, 24. Yeah. So the bundles come in these little baggies like this. And then I got a 16-inch. Oh, Jesus. I just did my makeup, obviously, because y'all can see that. But I definitely I'm knocking stuff over. So let me move this stuff out the way first. So my bad. My bad. So I got a 16-inch closure, and the closure comes in this little baggie like this. So normally I get deep wave hair or curly hair, or I haven't gotten straight hair, or what was I about to say? Curly, deep wave, body wave. I got a natural wave, so I'm going to open the closure first. So it comes with a hairnet on it. This is pretty. The density of this closure is bae. It's, oh, the hairnet got stuck to my hand. Yo. Oh my God. Do y'all see the luster of this hair? Oh my God. Compared to the luster of the hair that I have in, and this hair was expensive, okay? It wasn't the most expensive hair that I've gotten, but this hair wasn't cheap. That's not even the point. But this is really nice, and the knots are nice. I like how the closure is reinforced basically around the edges. I've gotten closures that didn't have that, and I didn't really like that, especially because I normally get sew-ins. I won't make a wig with this, but Oh, this is pretty. So like this is the parting space. Oh, this is nice. I don't think I'm gonna bleach the knots on here, but this is girl. What? Who was you feeling? What? This is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, I'm not hype. I'm hype. Well, I was hyped before, but she's hyped now. That's really pretty. So the texture I got Malaysian. Go away. Jeez. I got Malaysian natural wave, and this is so pretty. So that is the closure. So let me see, because you know I got to do a lot. Okay, so this won't fall. Okay. Okay, girl, I see. So that is popping. I'm gonna put that back in the bag. So nah, I'm gonna wait to put it back in the bag. I'm probably about to knock some stuff over because y'all know. And then the next bundle I'm going to open is the 22. So like I said, it comes in this bag. It has the rubber band around the top of it. Okay, so I'm going to assume that all these come with the hairnet on there, because this bundle came with it on there, and then the closure came with it on there. So I like that. This doesn't have like a weird smell or nothing. Oh my, this hair is so freaking pretty. I think I'm gonna start making the wig today. Hopefully I finish today, probably not. But this is so pretty. So like the bounce of that. Oh, the ends. This is pretty. Here are the wefts. So this is a good amount of hair, I think, for it to be 22. So I'm little. This hair is gonna be long as hell on me. Girl, where? Whew. And the last two bundles I got are 24, and I'm still gonna show you both of them, even though they're both 24. Just so y'all can get a feel of, you know, how they look, to see if all of them look alike. So this is the first one. This, I'm like so shook. Y'all don't even know, like, this is so freaking, I haven't had 24-inch hair in a, shoot, I haven't had 22-inch hair in a long time. I don't know who I'm about to be feeling like, but I'm about to be feeling like somebody popping. Oh my God. I'm about to be feeling like somebody popping. But this is these are the wefts. So I'd like to think you get a pretty decent amount of hair. So once I open the next bundle, I'm going to the ends. They aren't bad. I'd like to think you get a pretty decent amount of hair. The last bundle I'm about to open up, I'm going to stand up and show y'all where this will fall on me, because I'm pretty sure this is going to be pretty long on me. Just to give y'all like a little fun fact of the day. I'm 5'2", 5'2 and a half, 5'2", 5'3", and so 24-inch. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty long. This is pretty. Like, as I'm going through it, I'm not getting any shedding. Let me see. Let me really go at it. So I know I'm not lying. I'm not getting any. The curl pattern on this is still super pretty. Well, the wave pattern. The wefts on these look pretty thick. The ends on these look pretty healthy. Okay, so hold on. Yeah, disregard my pants. Don't judge me. Oh, y'all can't really see it. Okay, so this is the 24-inch. Let me pull my little thing around. And this is, it's on the back of my head, so it'll come like by my belly button. This is UNICE. UNICE. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but probably not. But this hair is so pretty. So let me get all 3 of the bundles for you guys. This is going to be so pretty. So like the 22 bundle is a little bit wavier than the 24, which is fine because the wave is still super pretty. But let me see. This is the closure and all the bundles all right next to each other. So the luster on this hair is so pretty, and it's not, oh, there it is. She just dropped one. You go, girl. The luster on this hair is really pretty, and in comparison to the closure, it's gorgeous, and it's a natural luster. It's not like, you know, nothing too crazy, but all in all, I'm pretty excited. Pretty excited. But that is it for this video. I'm going to come back on here and show you guys how it looks once I make the wig. I'm thinking I'm going to do a side part, but it's a wig, so you know, who really cares? You can change it. But also, this video isn't about this hair, but let me know how I like this color for this hair. How I like this bob situation. I'm definitely not going to cut that hair because it's pretty as hell. But just let me know how I like this bob situation. And if y'all like it, I will get me a new bob wig, or I will make me a new, because you know, if this first wig turns out good, then I'll make me another wig, you know. So that's just that. So let me go ahead and find this discount code for you guys, because I know that's the only reason y'all sat through this video. And y'all might not even have sat through this video, but that's fine too. That's fine. You know, I'm not judging. That's fine. You're not judging. So I'm going to also put this in the description box, but the promo code is YT, capital Y, capital T, Tiffany. That's all in lowercase. Tiffany. D is in capital. So I'm going to put that. I might put that somewhere, like pop up on the screen, and then I'll also put it down in the description box below, so you know, y'all can just use that little, you know, use the coupon code, you know, get y'all some money off and help a girl out at the same time. You know, it's a win-win for both of us. You get money off, you know, get a little discount, save some of your coin, you know, and you know, help me out so I can keep making these videos for y'all. And let me know down below what other hair companies I should try from AliExpress or wherever, because you know, I'm not just, you know, stuck on AliExpress. But let me know down below how y'all feel about, you know, any hair company that think I should try. If y'all want to see what am I trying to say? If y'all want to see a tutorial on this look that I have right now going on, it's pretty natural. Besides the lips, actually it's not natural because I have a shit ton of highlight on. So let's just be real, because I have a shit ton of highlight on. So I'm lying. But hold on, let me take a picture. I get so sidetracked so easy, I don't even know. This is me up close. Y'all, she's cute. Oh, and if y'all don't have me on Snapchat, make sure I go add me on Snapchat, Lil Lady 21, LILLADIIE 21. Okay, so go add me on Snapchat. If you don't have me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram, Lil Lady, LILLADIIE. And if you don't have me on Twitter, then make sure you go on and follow me on Twitter and get me Tiffany, TIFFANY__DORCH. You know, holla at your girl so you can keep up with me, because I'm hoping the more subscribers I get, the more, you know, reasons I have to do a giveaway. I gotta have people to do a giveaway for, and I gotta have people to do a giveaway to. So just let me know. Make sure you know, stay up to date with your girl. Hit that subscribe button if you didn't already hit the subscribe button. Let me know know how you feeling about me. Let me know how you feeling about this look. Let me know if you're excited down below about this hair and this wig I'm finna make. And let me know down below if you don't like it, because I need to know all that. Because if I don't know all of that and I'm thinking I'm up here talking and y'all really give a damn about what I'm saying, then what good is that doing anybody? Like, it's not doing nobody no good. So just let me know. How about your girl? Just let me know. I'm here. And also, feel free to share this video. Feel free to like this video, you know. Shoot, feel free to dislike this video, you know, whatever the case may be. If you disliked it, you watched it. So, whoop, that's on you. So, but that's all I have for you guys today in this video. And I will definitely see you in my next one. But as always, I'm your girl, Tiffany. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you next time.